Hello, everyone. Welcome to the third session on the series of health management lectures. In the previous session, we discussed about the difference between administration and management. Then we tried to differentiate between a manager and a leader. In this session, we will discuss various management theories and practices. First, let us understand what is a theory and how is it different from a hypothesis. As a researcher, I always talk about hypotheses, and you are saying to study theories in management. What is the difference? This question may come to your mind. A theory is a well-substantiated explanation that has been extensively tested and supported by a large body of evidence gathered from various sources and experiments. It explains a natural phenomenon that is validated through observation and experimentation. Theories are developed based on a synthesis of multiple hypotheses, observations, experiments, and data analysis. A hypothesis is a procedure used in statistics to assess whether a particular viewpoint is likely to be true. It is an educated guess based on certain data that acts as a foundation for further investigation. The theory is based on extensive data, and the hypothesis is based on limited data. A theory is already proven with some scientific data or facts. A hypothesis is not already proven scientifically. You will have to prove it. In theories, the results are certain, while in hypotheses, the results are uncertain. The theory relies on evidence and verification. The hypothesis relies on the possibility. In summary, a theory is a well-established explanation that has been extensively supported by evidence and provides a comprehensive understanding of a phenomenon. On the other hand, a hypothesis is a testable proposition or prediction that serves as a starting point for investigation and experimentation. Hypotheses, when supported by evidence, can contribute to developing or modifying scientific theories. The next question is, why should I study management theories? Studying management theories can provide you with valuable knowledge and insights that can be applied in various professional settings. Some key reasons why studying management theories can be beneficial are: number one, a better understanding of organizational dynamics or organizational behavior. Management theories provide a framework for understanding how organizations function and people behave within them, including the dynamics between individuals, teams, and departments. By studying management theories, individuals can gain insights into how to motivate employees, create effective teams, and manage conflicts within an organization. Number two, developing leadership and management skills. By learning management theories, you can gain a deeper understanding of different leadership styles and strategies for motivating and managing teams. This knowledge can help you develop and refine your skills, which are essential for effective management and can be applied in various settings. Number three, problem solving and decision-making. Management theories provide concepts and frameworks that can enhance your problem-solving and decision-making abilities. They offer systematic approaches to analyze and address various business challenges, such as resource allocation, conflict resolution, and strategic planning. Applying management theories can help you make informed decisions and find innovative solutions to complex problems. Number four, enhancing communication and collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration are essential for success in any professional setting. Management theories often emphasize the importance of clear communication, teamwork, and relationship building. By studying these theories, you can gain insights into effective communication strategies, conflict resolution techniques, and building productive work relationships, which can contribute to a positive and collaborative work environment. Number 5, adapting to changing business environments. Business environments are constantly evolving, and studying management theories can help you stay updated with the latest trends and practices. Management theories often address topics such as globalization, technological advancements, organizational change, and innovation. By understanding these concepts, you can adapt and respond effectively to changes, ensuring your skills and knowledge remain relevant in a dynamic business landscape. Number 6, continuous professional development. Studying management theories demonstrates your commitment to professional development. It shows that you are proactive in learning and acquiring knowledge that can benefit your career progression. Employers often value individuals who have a strong foundation in management theories, as it indicates their ability to think critically, analyze complex situations, and contribute to organizational success. In conclusion, studying management theories can equip you with valuable knowledge, skills, and perspectives to enhance your professional effectiveness. It provides a solid foundation for understanding organizational dynamics, developing leadership abilities, problem solving and decision-making, fostering communication and collaboration, adapting to changing business environments, and promoting continuous professional development. By studying management theories, you can expand your horizons, broaden your skill set, and position yourself for success in your chosen field.